In this space, we're going to work on separating some of these cubes that I've started seed. I'm going to actually plant out my hare's tail grass and let it get going. It's going to take some time. Let's take a look. I've already removed some cubes, but I wanted to show you how super simple. These just kind of come apart right here. They're double. Just take a good look. They're just double layered, and the whole thing can be planted. So then you just separate it. This one had nothing in it, but we'll remove this one. I've already removed the whole 2 rows. Some have more than one plant, so I'll actually separate them out. But then you end up with like a good root system. I think it's going to be so good. This one only has 1, so I'll plant the whole thing in the ground. Looks like I also have an anise hyssop in there. That is just a tiny little one. Okay, let's take them to the garden. Okay, so literally just making a hole, pop the whole thing, pop the whole plant in that hole, cover it up, water it in. Has good roots, so we'll see. This is total full sun. Hopefully it does well. Let me do another one. Just making a hole in the ground. Gonna get it watered in real good. And then cover it up. This one has an echinacea in it. We'll see if it keeps growing with. And so then I have 2. These are hare's tail grass. It's supposed to be a good little plant for cut flower gardens. And I'll finish up and do the rest. And also let me show you these nice root system that comes out the bottom. I'm actually not going to separate these 2. I'm just going to dig a hole, put them, they'll be close together. And see how they do. And that should be good. Oops, that should be good. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll see how they do. Okay, hare's tail grass have been put in. I did leave 2 that were together and just kind of planted them together. Watered them in. They kind of drooped over, but now they're looking good this morning. Follow for more.